Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to create an evil character animation like this in Maya. So we'll model the character and create texture map for the face, and we'll take it into Mixamo and bring it back into Maya and render it out. So let's see how this is done in from scratch in Maya. So to begin with, I sketched out how I wanted the character to look. An evil character generally has characteristics of sharp edges, so I tried to bring that into his face. There are like some horns on his face, a sharp chin, you can see, and then there's like this collar kind of a shoulder he has. The fingers are sharp, and even the feet are sharp. Okay, so I tried to bring that sharpness, and just like a basic stick figure character I wanted to create. So this has been just a sketch that came up to my mind. It's not, I'm not used any other reference for this, but I guess it does look a little bit like the Hotel Transylvania character. Anyhow, first thing, we will create a box and we move it up. Panel box, I moved it 4 units. So if you want to follow my directions exactly, what I'm going to do is just work on the face in the first part, and then in the second part we'll work on the body. So I added 3 segments each to get started for the face. Okay, and I can go to vertex mode, and then I will slide these apart. Alright, so you get like a sharp box. That's how the character will start, and you can see if I hit the 3 key, it has like sharp box kind of thing. So the top view, actually I just need the bottom one here, these. Okay, and this is the chin. Okay, so that's how I did it. Brought the chin closer, and then you can move it down and front. And you can move it back. Alright, then we needed these two to move up. Okay, and then we can scale them out. You can see that that's how the face is generated, and then in the back we will try to scale it to make it round. And I think that should be it. I mean, nothing fancy, but trying to create a nice round shape. We can move these around to get a better shape if you want. But I don't want to spend too much time working on the model itself, and this looks okay. So to create some roundness, what we can do is we can go to face, select this one and move that out. So that creates that roundness. I can go to the edge, double click this edge and then scale it out. Actually not all, I want this one and the bottom one to scale up, then this one and this one to scale out. Okay, so we get like a rounded head with a flat front part. That's it. So our head is done, and now we need to texture map the head. Okay, so to texture map the head, I have this image that I downloaded. Let us open it in Photoshop. File open. It was when I was doing the Blender character. I found that image, which was this one. So I use this character to be the evil character. Let us try to put something else and search for evil face. And then go to images, and we can try one of these, I guess, this one or this one. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time looking for something. So what do you think we should use? So I'm thinking either this one or this one is too simple, so maybe this one is better. So I'll save this as, look like an evil cat. Let us go with this one. This is good. Save image as, go to desktop, 3D assets, evil face. Alright. Back here, we'll assign a new material and Lambert and name this evil face. Click on color, files, desktop, 3D assets. To look at evil face, open. Hit the 6 key and you will see that now we need to unwrap it. So we'll go to modeling, UV editor. Okay, so we need to select the UVs and we'll go to create automatic. Select it, create automatic. Okay, so we basically need this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So this is perfect. So if you go to UV shell, this shell is what we are going to use. And now we need a better image. So we'll have to open that in Photoshop. So I'll open that evil face from, oops, 3D assets. Okay, go to Control A to select all, Control C copy, file, maybe it is already here, file new, and I'm going to use 1000 by 1000, Control V, then files, actually let me select all this, edit, fill, and I'll say content aware, select, deselect. So this looks good. File, save, JPEG, desktop, 3D assets, evil face. Where is our evil face? Okay, just name it. Evil face again. Go to Maya. Close this one. Go to evil face. Preload. it was PNG, so we have to reassign it evil face JPEG. Okay, so now we get more of these. So if I hit W, I'll move this around. All these things will go in the corner. We don't. This can be just white color. And the other thing I did not do is to reverse the colors. So back in Photoshop, so I will select this, shift select this and this. All right, so all the white, shift, we need to select this also. Or actually, no. Let me get back. Okay, this is good. So all the white areas, edit, fill, will fill it black. Okay, and then I'll go to select, inverse, and alt, edit, fill, white. Okay, so it's something like that. So we'll save this one as JPEG, 3D assets, face. You can spend a little bit more time and keep the red color if you want. I just want to speed it up so I don't spend too much time. And we can reload the image. We need to click on the new one. All right. So we don't need this. And then this object has to be here. And R to scale. W to move. Okay. So this looks like an evil character. All right. So we will save this file saved in evil character tut. And in the next class, we will work on the body. Okay. So the other thing what I want to do is not make everything black. That was another mistake I made. So I'll select this the whole again. Go to edit, fill, we'll go to color this time. And this one, I'm going to use a gray color. So you can see 0, 0 and 20. Okay. Edit, fill. Okay. And we can go to edit, fill, and if you want can add maroon eyes. Character. File, save, JPEG. Then we can reload it, and then you can have these highlights so it's not completely black. Okay, so we get an eagle face. So next class we'll model the rest of the body. Thank you.